What's your project called?
Sink or float.
Okay.
And
Tell us some of the things that sink when put in a bucket of water.
so a spoon sinks and so does a magnet.
Would you like to show us? Whoa. What about the magnet? That's cool. Now, what are some things that float when put in a bucket of water?
A leaf.
It doesn't sink?
Mhm.
What else floats?
And this floats.
A doll.
Yeah.
Tell us about some of the things you noticed in class that sank or floated.
This floated. This.
Tell me what they are.
A toy bear floated. A pizza floated. A banana floated. That was wooden, and that was a toy. This was a toy candy thing. This was a toy orange, and this was a toy person.
And what are some things that surprised you that didn't sink? That didn't sink, so the ones that floated.
I thought this would sink but it floated. And I thought this would sink but it floated.
What is it?
A block. And a banana.
A wooden block and a wooden banana?
Yes.
And is that you at school doing the project? That picture?
The gray and white pictures are me doing the project.
Great job.